Finally got to Blackbird, which was a bit of an odd story by Sam Humphries, Jen Bartel. Great cover though, and I love the color style there. I don't really know. It was kind of a weird one. It had this sort of creature right here, this sort of like spirit kaiju thingy-mabobber. I don't know.
Blackbird by Sam Humphries and Jen Bartel. Seems to be a very nice. I'll go to this picture of the sort of ghostly kaiju type ordeal.
How did it end?
Because it's a good choice. I'm talking loudly because to make a point. I thought this was a pretty good comic. It's from Image. It's got a great style of colors in particular.
Agreed.
I thought the art was a little bit simple.
Simple.
Not bad. It was all right. Thought the story was a little bit odd, and I just thought. By the way, I was talking loud.
It was definitely worth checking out further.
On one object, and it's probably going to wind up on the other. So I'm recording it from one to the other, basically.
Mm-hmm.
So
as you see,
that's what I'll
hopefully
say
you can
for
hear
my first part, in case if I say something more for the other. But this creature was sort of reminiscent of
anime,
Never-Ending Story or something. The book itself, not bad.
Not bad.
Good thing I got for a back issue. Enjoyed.
Yep. Let's check out another one.
Well.
Let's
Blackbird.
talk Image a little further, folks. Blackbird #1, definitely worth reading more. Let's do Space Bandits. Here's the cover of Space Bandits. Mark Millar, Matteo Scalera of Black Science fame. Here, I will just let myself, a previous myself, talk to you about this.
Strong Chicks in Space.
Try to get that glare off.
Bandits #1 by Mark Millar, however you want to say it, and Matteo Scalera of Black Science fame. Great artist, as you see. Is a sort of like 80s in space, I suppose, and has a nice, strong color palette. Good book from Image. It could become a Netflix series. You never know. This is the one of the two leads, this young lady, and it's hard to explain really what it was about without giving too much away, but I'd say it was
two chicks
to, I guess, Kim and Kim
who are both space bandits.
Sergio.
That's what it was about.
I'm just kidding. And I'm probably just going to lump these together, so if it's
I'd give it a 7.
Turn your volume up, sorry about that. I'm just going to do these like this on this machine and record them a secondary time, so hopefully they can be heard well enough, but not a bad series. I enjoy Mark Millar. I like his sort of Garth Ennis take of writing is sort of edgy. I don't care. And I also like
this edgelord,
if you will, his style, and Scalera is just great. Nice, cartoony, exciting.
An 8 and a 7 for the last two.
I would give this bad boy an 8 out of 10.